What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Grom we got a package. It is actually new grips for the Grom. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so I went with the Scott brand grips. I got these off of Amazon. So basically, you know, they're a little more comfortable than the hard stock ones. So it's finally time to change that. So what we're gonna do, there's two ways of doing this. You can basically just take a razor blade, cut them off if you're not gonna use it. Or you could just take like a thin screwdriver. I don't think I have one. Yeah, just like a thin screwdriver like this. And basically what you want to do, just want to pry it. You can take these off. It'll make it a lot easier if you plan on keeping these for the stock ones. So let's get the old ones off and the new ones on. Alright, so I got the grips off. Basically, if you're just using just your stock bars, there's going to be glue. It looks like on mine, they only really glued right here. So that's a good thing for me. I'm still going to wipe it down with some goof off. And then the only hairspray I have, because I really don't use hairspray, is some Suave. So I'm gonna clean them up real quick, and then let's put them on. All right, so they're all cleaned up and everything. The one thing you will notice is one side you really can't tell on camera, but one side is bigger, and obviously you can tell by the way it says Scott. You know, obviously if you put on this, you could have it like that, but it'll probably be a little harder. And it also came with some little covers, I think. I don't know. First time putting bars on or grips on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to spray inside of it, so then it'll be 1,000 times easier to get it on. This side, it'll be 1,000 times easier than this side, because, you know, you could just kind of maneuver it on how it is, but on, you know, the throttle, obviously it has this ridge for the throttle itself. So let me throw this on, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so I got this side on. Another thing I forgot to mention, make sure you have that straight. So, you know, you don't want it to be cockeyed a little bit. So now we're just gonna let that dry, and we're gonna get to this side. Alright, so I got the grips on and everything. This one was the worst one, just because it's bigger, because it's got the throttle. But as you can tell, they feel so much better than the stock ones. They have like little like ridges in it, you know. They feel a lot better. This one's all the way on, and I did notice that it actually does say front pointing that way. So that's another thing. So I'm just gonna let these dry, and then go take it out for a spin, see how they are. But this is the end for this. So I'll catch you in the next one.